Alright, I just got done with this Goodman install. It's a 4-ton heat pump. At the outside air, the free cooling. The transitions were made up in the truck. On the fly. Got the duct brace here. With the foil grip tape on there instead of oops, there's a leak. Had to fix that, but I think it turned out really good. I think it turned out nice. Free cooling, free leaks. But yeah, brand new Goodman 4-ton heat pump, strap down with duct strap. Yes, it's a duct strap. A duct strap is running perfect. The customer's happy. They're overjoyed with the way the new Goodman turned out. I think I did a good job. Just shows you can do the sheet metal on the job. You don't have to have a shop. You do not have to have a shop. But yeah, turned out great. It was a condensate painted black. It's all shimmed up. It's all level. I think it turned out great. Alrighty. But no, I'm just kidding. I'm working on this one over here. They had a pump filter. I got to make up a filter rack for this thing. The filter was stuck in there. I had to mouse the other filter in. I swear to God, I'm going to come back with filter rails. But no, this is what I was doing. Here's a panel left over. This will be great when it's windy. This will sell through somebody's windshield. That'll be good. I'll come and get that next time. Red Bull or something. Tape measure. Wow. Alrighty. One final look. The Goodman.